I know.
Oh.
No, stop! Stop!
No.
Stop! No! I have nowhere to go. It's just a store. Whoa!
Stay right there.
Oh, stop it, please.
You stay right here. If you don't, the frying pan.
There's nothing there.
Do I make myself clear?
Yes, yes, I do.
Stay right here.
Do you want me to
If I
stand here
see-
like a statue?
Yes.
Fine. Oh man, wish there was someone here to give me. Hello? Anyone here? Hello? Hello? Anyone, please? Please? Anyone? Hello, anyone?
Here.
This kidnapper just abandoned me here.
Come on, go to the register.
Wait, before you take me to the register, what's your name?
Me? Oh, my name's Billy Bob. Hey, don't laugh at my name, or I will not tell the register.
Okay, fine, just do it, come on, just do it!
So he got like, I think,
I got kidnapped and I got abandoned here. My mom got knocked out and I don't know where she is.
Alright.
Can you like track where the king is?
Right.
I meant the guy, the kidnapper, and maybe he can tell me.
Why am I going to check the security cameras?
Yeah, just like check somewhere. I need to know where my mom is. Ooh, wonder what this button does.
Special, man.
Yes, let me buy it.
I know.
Where? To the arcade.
Arcade? Yeah, you're up there.
Wait, you sure it's up at? Wait, register. You sure it's up there?
Yeah.
Okay, Jordan, wait for me. I'm at Billy Bob.
Haha, that's so funny.
What? Wait, Billy Bob.
What?
Hi, we gotta be careful because we don't know if the.
Ah.
That's him.
He's the kidnapper?
That's the kidnapper.
What's he doing?
Run!
Thank y'all for coming.
Run!
I better run.
Go!
You move.
Go!
You know what that happens?
Go! Here, follow my trail.
Ah, I'm getting stuck.
Come on. We gotta get the key card. Go.
Where's he? Where's he?
He's up there. We got the key card.
Kid, come on, kid.
He's not working. Come on. Yeah.
Let me in. Yeah.
We have nowhere else to go, Jordan.
Bro,
Yeah.
you left the key card. I will. You could have got it.
Jordan.
Should we go?
No, we can't. That's just a dead end.
Here, I'm gonna leave the key card right here. Yeah, I don't know.
What should we do?
I don't know.
I need to do something.
Boy, when you get out here, I will smack you. Hey, you're not gonna do anything to that little kid.
Jordan,
Protect him.
remember?
And you are gonna be next.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Don't leave me out there. Heh, punk. You don't know how to do the glitch to get in here,
Hey,
don't
we have
ya?
to
You don't know how to get in. Look at this punk.
Yeah, punk.
No, leave the door open. Then he cannot get in.
I'll see you.
Jordan, I think we know what... Huh? He went away. Yes. You know what that means. Freedom! What do we
I
do?
hear footsteps. I don't know if we should go out there. I hear footsteps.
Wait, I know something we can do.
Who's that? He opened it.
Wait.
He opened
Wait.
this. He opened this.
How is he doing that? Oh no. No! 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 Jordan! Jordan! Sacrifice for me, please. I need to get protected. Sacrifice! Jordan, sacrifice!
No, I don't want to. I don't want to
Sacrifice!
Die. Get out of the way. I don't want to die.
You have to! It's a dead end! Just sacrifice for me. Just get him! No, him!
Now your friend will be next. Look at me.
Leafy! Leafy, where are you? Leafy!
No, friend.
Leafy!
Wait, what?
Leafy!
Please.
Leafy, stay where you are! Leafy! Leafy, where are you? Leafy, where are you? Leafy? Leafy!
Where are you?
Leafy!
Noah, run.
Leafy, where are you?
Now.
Leafy! Leafy! Oh, thank God you're safe. I almost died. Good thing you're still alive. What happened to you?
Yeah, dead.
Oh, good thing you're alive.